Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how easy and fast it is to create a Tumbler design using Canva and Dreamlab. So we're going to log into our Canva account. Over on the left, click on Dreamlab, and I already have my prompt in here. I will put the prompt down in the description because it is a little bit long. Basically, we're doing a cute baby highland cow with pastel pink fur wearing bunny ears for an Easter design. And I did run it once already, but I'm going to run it again quick so you can see. And I do need to change the aspect ratio. I goofed. I want it to be 4:3 instead of 16:9, so we're going to run it again and see what we get. Okay, and we can look at a couple of these. That one's really cute. And that one's really cute. And you just decide if there's one here you like or if you want to regenerate. I think I am going to go with this one. And I'm going to click on Edit in a Design. Now, this isn't the right size for our tumbler wrap, so what we're going to do now is go over here on the left and click on Resize. And we're going to do 2790 by 2460, which is our tumbler wrap size. And I'm going to click on Copy and Resize. Okay. And now I will click on Open. And it will, okay, and it has opened this in our new canvas, which is the right size. First thing I'm going to do is change the background color here to this like off-white. And then I'm going to click here and we're going to remove the background from the image itself so everything matches up nicely. Now I'm just going to move this design down a little bit because I want to put an Easter saying up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to my Galaxy AI, which is an awesome tool that has a ton of different AI models and tools in it that you can use. And I'm just going to ask it to give me a couple cute sayings for Easter that would pair well with a highland cow. And we'll see. Here we go. How about have an utterly wonderful Easter? And we'll take that back over here and I'm going to text and I'm going to select heading. And I'm going to paste that text in here. We're going to make that smaller. And I am also going to change this font. Let's pick a different one. How about apricots? I like that. And let's move this up. Actually, let's do, hope that works. It's the line spacing down a little bit, and I think I'm going to put a curve on it. Let's go down here. All right. And now we can move that up. We can make this just a little bit smaller. Put it right in the center there. Have an utterly wonderful Easter. And your design is done. I had to move that down. I didn't notice that my L was cut off. But there you go. You have a basic design with a cute highland cow. And now I'm just going to go over here to the right to share, and I'm going to click download, and you want to save it as a PNG. It doesn't need to be transparent. but I am going to save this at 2.5 times the size that we want. And I'm going to click download, and that's going to save to my computer. And then to make sure we get it to 300 DPI, we're going to use one more program that is free. Just a second. All right, and I'm going to save it here and overwrite this one I made earlier. So now we're going to go over here again, and this time we are going to go to Photopea, and we're going to open from our computer. We're going to open our Easter cow, and Photopea is a free program. Now we are going to select this image size, and we are going to resize this to 2790, 2460, 300 pixels per inch. We click OK. And now it resized, and let's just double check it. 2790, 2790, 2460. Alrighty, there we go. And now you can export that as a PNG. It is telling you it is the size it is and the quality you want, and we will just overwrite our original image that we had before. And now let's just take a look at it quick. If you hover over it, it is 2790, 2460, and let me upload this to my designs just so you can see the DPI is right. Let's open this folder. Let's get rid of this listing. Upload. Drag this over, drop it in, upload it. And this takes just a second. I just want to show you that it is in fact 300 pixels per inch now. Here, if you hover over it, you'll see 2790, 2460, 300 pixels per inch. Now you can use whatever program you normally use to upload this listing to Etsy. You can use whatever you normally use to create your mock-ups for it, but it is ready to go. I use my designs. I can do my listing, my publishing to my Etsy shop, and do all my mock-ups in one place. So that's the tool I use. But that is how quick and easy it is to make a Tumbler design using Canva and their new Dream Lab, which actually is a very nice AI generator. I have been very impressed with it, with the new Dream Lab they just started using not long ago. So if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments for me and I'll answer them as soon as I can. And keep in mind, if you are looking for ideas and tips to help boost your sales, you should check out our Prompts and Profit Design Club. You get a new AI prompt every day for either sublimation files, clip art designs, SVGs. We do step-by-step tutorials and tips to help you sell more digital products on your Etsy store or your own website. I'll also leave a link for that down in the description and in a pinned comment so you can check it out if you want to. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.